The Essential Vocabulary for Comprehending Map Navigation by Cherise Coleman, Vanessa Marquise, and Amanda Solis. The Texas Essential Knowledge and Skills used for this third grade activity include geography. The students understand the concepts of location, distance, and direction on maps and globes. The students are expected to use cardinal and intermediate directions to locate places on maps and globes such as the Rocky Mountains, the Mississippi River, and Austin, Texas, in relation to the local community. Use a scale to determine the distance between places on maps and globes. Identify and use the compass rose, glide system, and symbols to locate places on maps and globes. And create and interpret maps of places and regions that contain map elements including a title, compass rose, legend, scale, and grid system. The content objective is students will be able to identify and describe the vocabulary needed to read and understand a map by creating vocabulary cards. The language objective is students will be able to use comparative language and describe continents, equators, and hemisphere sizes. Students will be able to use the cardinal directions to orally describe the location on a map.
Some of the vocabulary that will be used in our activity include map, a picture that shows a location of pictures or places. Location, place where something is found. Continents, 7 largest land masses on Earth. Oceans, largest bodies of water on Earth. Symbol, anything that stands for or represents something else. Cardinal directions, 4 main parts of the compass: north, south, east, and west.
Okay, so now that we've went over all the vocabulary, I have given y'all index cards, right?
Yes.
Okay, so what you're going to do with the index card is on the front, write a vocabulary word that you have, and on the back, draw a picture or write the definition or write a little sentence, whatever helps you remember what the word means, okay?
Okay.
And then after you're all done with that, all you're going to do, you're going to get sentence strips with these sentences on it. So here's an example. So be thinking of those sentences while you're making your index cards. And y'all are going to use your index cards to complete the sentences, okay?
Okay.
And y'all will have about 15 minutes to do your definitions, okay?
Sounds good.
Okay, so is everybody done with their index cards?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm going to do the first sentence that y'all had. California is on the west coast. You see, that was one of your vocabulary words, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so Vanessa, why don't you show us what you did for the second example?
Okay. For the second example, I used the word oceans.
Okay, can you read the whole sentence?
Yes. Lakes and rivers are smaller than oceans.
Good job, that's perfect.
Yay.
And then the last sentence, the blank for a city is a dot. And does anybody know what that is? Yes.
Symbol.
Good job. Okay, and y'all did a great job. Does anybody have any questions about their vocab or anything?
No.
All right, that's it.